Introducing Prospect Crown Ivory, a 3D decor tile by Baldocer Cerámica that forms part of a collection that further features 3 matte glazed white-bodied ceramic wall tile variants, all available at Italtile. Prospect is available in 3 low-maintenance stone-look color options, Ivory, Moon and Natural, as well as the Crown Ivory 3D decor tile. Whether you are looking for a backdrop to showcase bold decor or merely prefer more subdued surroundings, the Prospect collection is extremely versatile, working wonders on bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room and home office walls alike. Prospect Ivory, Moon and Natural all feature a smooth matte surface, while the Crown Ivory 3D decor tile offers subtle patterning, also with a matte finish for a unique sculptural effect. Prospect will add both simplicity and sophistication to any type of homely interior, as is a lesson in style, not to mention a textural and tactile delight.